To help us reach more people who need help with math, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment on this video. Also, feel free to work alongside this video so that you can learn the math procedures faster. Pause this video as often as necessary while you are working alongside this video. In this example, we are going to find all the factors of 27. Step 1. Find the smallest and largest factors of the number. The smallest factor is always 1. The largest factor is always the number that you are trying to find the factors for. In this case, the largest factor is 27. So, as stated earlier, the smallest factor of a number that is greater than 0 is always 1. So 1 is a factor of 27. 1 is the smallest factor of 27. The largest factor is always the number that you are trying to find the factors for. In this case, the largest factor is 27. Again, I will repeat. The smallest factor of a number greater than 0 is always 1. And the largest factor of a number greater than 0 is always the number you are trying to find the factors for. In this case, we are trying to find the factors for 27. And so, then 27 is the largest factor. Next, we will move on to step 2. Step 2 is to find the halfway point of the number that we are finding the factors for. To do this, we will check to see if the number is an even number or an odd number. We are finding the factors of 27. 27 is an odd number. 27 is an odd number. Therefore, we will perform step 2A. 27 is an odd number, so divide 27 by 2 to get the halfway point of the number. Again, I will repeat. 27 is an odd number, so divide 27 by 2 to get the halfway point of the number. Ignore the remainder. Ignore the remainder. 27 divided by 2 equals 13, remainder 1. Again, in step 2A1, we divide 27 by 2. 27 divided by 2 equals 13, remainder 1. We are going to ignore the remainder. 13 will serve as the halfway point of 27. Again, I will reiterate what I have just said. We checked to see if 27 is an odd or even number. 27 is an odd number. So we went to step 2A. We divided 27 by 2 to get the halfway point of the number. We ignore the remainder. Ignore the remainder. Next, we went to step 2A1. 27 divided by 2 equals 13 remainder 1. Remember, we are going to ignore the remainder. Therefore, 13 will serve as the halfway point of 27. 13 will serve as the halfway point of 27. Next, we will move on to step 3. To get the rest of the factors, you will have to divide into the number that you are trying to find the factors for. If the result of the division does not have a remainder, then the divisor and quotient are factors of 27. Now, remember, the divisor is the number that you divide by, and the quotient is the result of the division. Divide the number by 3 through the halfway point minus 1, or until you attempt to divide by a number that has been proven to be a factor. Remember, the halfway point is 13. The halfway point is 13. So the halfway point minus 1 is 12. The halfway point of 27 is 13. I will repeat. The halfway point of 27 is 13. Therefore, we subtract 1 from 13. 13 minus 1 equals 12. So we will start dividing we will start dividing 27 by the numbers 3 through 12. The halfway point of 27 is 13. 13 minus 1 equals 12. So you will start dividing 27 by the numbers 3 through 12. I just want to make sure that you understand that. Now, we will divide 27 by 3. 27 divided by 3 equals 9. There is no remainder. There is no remainder. Therefore, 3 and 9 are factors of 27. 3 and 9 are factors of 27. This is because there is no remainder. Next, we will divide by 4. 27 divided by 4 equals 6, remainder 3. There is a remainder of 3. Therefore, 4 is not a factor of 27. 4 is not a factor of 27 because there is a remainder. Next, we will divide by 5. 27 divided by 5 equals 5, remainder 2. There is a remainder of 2. Therefore, 5 is not a factor of 27. There is a remainder. There is a remainder. Therefore, 5 is not a factor of 27. Next, we will divide by 6. 27 divided by 6 equals 4 with a remainder of 3. 27 divided by 6 equals 4 with a remainder of 3. There is a remainder of 3. Therefore, 6 is not a factor of 27. 6 is not a factor of 27 because there is a remainder. Next, we divide by 7. 27 divided by 7 equals 3 with a remainder of 6. There is a remainder of 6. Therefore, 7 is not a factor of 27. 7 is not a factor of 7 is not a factor of 27 because there is a remainder. Next, we will divide by 8. 27 divided by 8 equals 3 with a remainder of 3. There is a remainder of 3. Therefore, 8 is not a factor of 27. 8 is not a factor of 27 because there is a remainder. Next, we will divide by 9. Now please note, it has already been established that 9 is a factor of 27. Therefore, there is no need to divide 27 by 9. When you reach the point where you attempt to divide 27 by a number that is already a factor of it, you have found all of the factors of the number 27. As you see here, 9 has been shown to be a factor of 27. 9 has already been shown to be a factor of 27. Therefore, we do not need to divide 27 by 9 or any other higher number. We have found all of the factors for the number 27. So, the factors for the number 27 are 1, 3, 9, and 27. 1, 3, 9, and 27. These are the factors of the number 27.